Welcome back to another video. It's literally the middle of the week, Wednesday, new week, and I'm now opening the camera. First video of the week, and I've taken no trades thus far for the entire week. No trades on Monday, no trades on Tuesday, absolutely no trades sent out to the community as well, because I haven't been finding any. So I guess we in a no trade zone right now, and I'm really trying to just take high probability setups. It works on discipline, works on patience, and I believe it's one of the only or a few ways that you can remain consistently profitable when trading full time. You know, the more you trade is the better you'll get at trading, also the better you'll get at not trading. You know, if you barely come to the markets, if you're barely on the charts, you wouldn't know when it's the right time for you to be trading, you know, with high frequency, placing a lot of trades, and when it's time for you to not be placing a lot of trades. You know, ease the amount of trades you're taking per week or per month or whatever the case is, because market conditions might not be aligning with your favor. Everybody's strategy has its periods on the year, you know. And for the rest of the year, your strategy still works, but you have to be more strategic. You have to be more mindful, more aware of your conditions and, you know, confirmations. There's a lot to discuss about it, but over time, either you sticking around and seeing me trade, you'll notice when I'm having better results than when I'm not. But the goal is to still remain positive, to stay in the game, to trade another day. So as long as we're positive, everything is good. But for right now, I don't have a trade. I'm watching the price. I'm actively watching the chart. So as long as I have a position, then I'll come back in and give you guys the rundown on it. We're still using Sieg Fund as the prop firm for this challenge. I don't think I actually got to show y'all the homepage and all of the benefits and stuff as into why I chose to work with this prop firm, but as you can see, man, there's a lot of benefits. You know? There's the licensed brokers, the EA and HFT allowed. You know, you can use copy trading and stuff like that, or trade copiers. They issue live accounts, so you won't be actually on a demo account, even though most prop firms say that. Even I'm gonna try, gonna see if it's actually a live account on a regulated broker or if it's just the same broker once I get a live. 10% drawdown, which is the standard for the prop firm industry, and no hidden fees, and instant refunds and withdrawals. By withdrawals, I mean withdrawals take about 3 hours to come, and once you are on live, once you made it to your live account, there's no minimum days or period before you can withdraw. You know, if you're live today, you made some profit today and you would like to withdraw that profit, then you can withdraw that profit today. You don't have to wait until the first month or the first 2 weeks or whatever the case is. But after your first withdrawal, the next withdrawal is 2 weeks. So I can live with that. The refund is instant once you complete the challenge, so I can also live with that. And in addition, I think in like the first video when I mentioned Sieg Fund, I spoke about the certificate like this one and the one before this, but in addition to the certificate, they also give you a physical like badge you could, I guess, wear or at least have to your collection. You know, as a trader, it's an extra thing for us to get a certificate or a badge or a trophy or something, because the money is cool and everything, but it's really not the main aim why we trade. You trade to become a better individual. You trade to become more disciplined. You trade to become, yes, you become more rich as a result of all these things, but you trade to be right. You know, trying to show people that you can analyze and be right. That's it. It's a competitive career, but I like it. So it's good that we can be rewarded with something else besides just money. So here we have the different challenges, the different account size, I should say, and the costs as well. They have the 5,000, 10K, 20, 50, 100, 200, and 400. So yeah, I won't be checking them account sizes, but you see 400, 2,300, and there's the 200, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, from $65 all the way up to 2,300 and something. And yeah, we're trying the 145, the 10K account with the 90% split add-on. So another like great sign about this prop firm is like I recognize most of the partners that they're working with, and I've even like worked with some of them myself, so it's good to see something credible. They also show us this I think this was the largest payout that they had for this year. That's 25k, and yeah, it's similar to other prop firms in the sense of like the things that you need, the things that are necessary, the things that we are accustomed to in the prop firm space. Then they have all of that, and there's also, you know, a little bit of addition with the same day withdrawal once you make it to live, the instant refund for purchasing the account once you make it to live, and even the 3-hour payout time. That's pretty fast to me. And something that they also include on their website that I don't really see other firms do is the pass rate of like what percentage of traders that sign up with them actually make it to live. It's valid information because it shows you like what percentage of traders you are in or you're ranked in or not, you know. Are you that 95.65% that fails, or are you the 4.35% that succeeds? I don't know if I did that math right, but yeah. So we're still here with SIEG, and we're giving it a go with them. Since I haven't placed any trades for the week, then the balance should still be the same where we left off last week. 200 and something dollars, $200. Right, we're at $206. Great. I just really like this setup. It's different from the like what we're accustomed to in the prop firm industry, but I like it. It doesn't like cause my mindset to shift to focus on the prop target. Like I see this and I still believe, okay, this is a 10k account, and I'm not so far or close to a target. I'm just on this 10k and I'm trading, and that's big. That's really big. Anyways, I don't have a trade right now, and I'm gonna come back in and give you guys that update once I find that trade, and hopefully we have a good one today. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas over here though. Like I would buy, not gonna lie to you, because it's looking pretty good for a buy. But let's see. I need more confirmation first before I can just open a trade, because it looks that way. But once I do, I'll come back and give you an update. So we're back, and it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And as you can see here on trading view, I actually took a trade this morning. I didn't come in and give you guys the update once I got into the trade, because I recently opened this trade like 10 minutes ago. I sent out a buy limit to the community where the stop loss is, because initially this morning I sent out the buy limit first, and you know, the price just kept on going. I sent the buy limit at 1.8 or something. Yeah, so that was around 12. I sent that buy limit, and it was for 2189 or 188, like around here. And then I sent out a buy order like around here, so around this price. So the second order stop loss was placed here at the first entry, and I also advised everyone to keep the first entry open just in case, you know, because we might suffer a loss and then price might choose to go in our direction. So said so, very well done. It's not completely in our favors yet, but took us out and shot up. So we're still in this. I'm up $28, though I lost about 100 or 90, yeah, about $90, as I had 2 positions open on this account that were above there, but not stressing. On the hourly here, it looks pretty nice. Let me just go with the trading view so you can see it better. Oh yeah, on the hourly it looks pretty bullish, pretty nice. We had that little retracement back into the fair value gap where I initially had my entry, but it came down to lack of patience, and I paid that price. The unfortunate thing is that the members of the community paid that price with me as well, but can't really blame me for thinking this here was that retracement into the fair value gap, or the 50%, so it doesn't hurt to be wrong, but you know, you can be wrong 1 and 2 at a time, so it's best you learn a way to not make it hurt. Anyways, we're in this second position, which I should just mark up now that you guys are here, and this one stop loss is there, and I'll be aiming for the same thing. Hopefully I can get it. If not, that's okay as well. So the first trade was an L. Actually, before I do this, and let me remove this. Let me just screenshot for the sake of my journal. Alright, so I'll just screenshot that one. See, being consistent with the journal in, I think this is Q3, not even Q2. I don't know why I named it Q2, but yeah, so that's the first trade right there. Dates. Was I disciplined? Yeah, I was. No, I wasn't any of my rules, but I was disciplined. No rules, but I was disciplined because I held the trade. I didn't close it early. I would say it's a continuation. I'll look at the confirmations and so just giving you a example of how I journal for those who might be wondering how I journal or how to journal. So I had no manipulation. I had a push above this high fair value gap in for impulsive handles on the 15. So this was a great period buy from be honest. Alright, so I had fair value gaps, impulsive candles, no liquidity being swept. Actually, yes, I do have liquidity being swept here for the second trade, but for the first trade, none of that. I just had impulsive candles, fair value gaps on the 50, and then I had 15-minute liquidity. First trade was an L, but let's wait until both trades are done so we can deduct the losses from the wins or add the two losses so I can know the total loss for the day. The day is not done with just one trade, one L. If I have a loss in the morning, I'm allowed to take a second trade in the afternoon or whenever I see it according to my trading setup, my trading style, according to the strategy I use, whichever one. But yeah, this is the results, and yeah, this is my account size right now. It's not $206 per gain. Let me just refresh it so you'll see how much I have right here. So it's $146 per gain right now, and that's only because this trade is live, so it's counting the equity, not the balance. Anyways, just wanted to give you that update, and I'm gonna come back in and give you guys the full update once we either get to TP or stop loss for this second trade. So we're back, and it's the next morning. It's Thursday morning. Price did not actually get to RTP for yesterday. I told the members of the community that I would be exiting this trade like around last night, which is not normal for me. It's not that I don't close trades at night, I just don't enter trades anytime outside of 9:30 to 4:30, but the whole trade's overnight. Sometimes I close it in the night, sometimes I close it before 8:30 a.m. the next day, and yesterday just happened to be one of those days. So while I didn't get the full amount of this trade, we're still up, 161. I said I can stop showing y'all this account, right? So I just want to know the percentage that I'm up. Yeah, so I did say that I won't be showing y'all the balance and all there every minute. So yeah, I'm still up. Just know that I'm up in the account. So yesterday I had a loss earlier in the day, then this win that brought me back a little bit from where I was, but hey, that's how it goes sometimes, So for now, I'll end this video here and begin today's video. So this video won't have to be too long, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. If you made it this far to see me come out of a trade early and not get full profits, but still is a win regardless, then do your boy a favor and like and subscribe, and definitely I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.